Now, what is pityriasis rosea? This is a classical picture. So this is the back of a person in which you can see this large plaque, one single annular plaque that is called the mother patch or the herald patch. And then there is a fir tree or a Christmas tree pattern on the rest of the back of these secondary lesions. So it's caused by a virus, probably herpes, human herpes virus 6 or 7. It's classically got a fir tree distribution of lesions on the torso. It may extend to the upper thighs. The first lesion to appear is the herald patch or the medallion lesion or the mother patch. And in a few days later, you get this fir tree appearance of these secondary lesions. These are all annular. Classically, in each lesion, you will see a peripheral collarette of scales. It's a very classical sign to distinguish it from other annular lesions. So a collarette means the scale on the skin, if you look at the diagram here, the photo, is attached to the periphery of the skin, but towards the inner side of the lesion, the scale is loose. So it opens up towards the inner part of the lesion. Okay, that's a collarette of scales. And a hanging curtain sign is seen in PR. Hanging curtain sign is when you stretch the lesion perpendicular to the long axis of the lesion, you will elicit more of these fine scales. So it's like a hanging curtain. And what is PRP or pityriasis rubra pilaris? There are a few classical features you need to know about it. You don't need to know about it in detail. It is, there is a keratoderma of the palms and soles, also known as the PRP sandal, because there's a very thick layer of the skin, which forms on the palms and soles. This is usually a condition seen in childhood. The lesions are reddish or orange. You have to remember this orange color, okay, that's seen in PRP. And these are scaly rashes seen on the trunk, as you can see here in the second picture. And in the third picture, you can see islands of sparing of the skin. This is very classical in PRP. This rash can be quite extensive. It can even become an erythroderma. So PRP is another cause of erythroderma. The hair follicles get plugged with keratin, so the rash is quite scaly and bumpy. Christmas tree appearance on the skin is seen in pityriasis rosea, pityriasis rubra pilaris, psoriasis, or vitiligo. So it's seen in pityriasis rosea.